Hi everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. So today I have a very special video to share with you, and that's a collaboration. I really enjoy doing collaborations. One of the things that I didn't expect when I started my YouTube channel was that I would kind of make these friendships here on YouTube, and I have met so many wonderful people here on YouTube, my subscribers and other YouTubers. It's just been such a great experience, and that's why I love doing these collaborations, because I get to kind of work with the other YouTubers. So it's been really, really nice. Let me tell you who is involved in this collab and what we decided to do. This box has been sitting in my house. Those of you who know me and who follow me, it's been tough. It's been sitting in my house for like 3 or 4 weeks. I just haven't gotten a chance to film it. And we're not posting it for another week, but I'm like, I gotta dig into this box. I have a little bit of time today, so I had to open it. So, it's so beautifully wrapped. She wrapped everything individually because she knows I'm a peeker, so she knows me. So I couldn't peek to see what she sent me, but wait till you see how she wrapped it. Anyway, let me tell you who's involved. So Alex from Life of a City Girl sent me my box, and I will link all of their channels below. They are all fantastic YouTubers. Most of them, actually all of them, are unboxing channels, and they mostly all do beauty. You know, most of them do fashion and lifestyle and things like that. They're all so sweet, and I really have enjoyed getting to know them and watching their videos. So first, like I said, is Alex from Life of a City Girl, who sent me my box. We also have Asisa from Rolle Reviews, and I sent her box. And then we have Robyn from Robyn's Closet, and we also have Vicki, which is Vicki Wiik, and again, I will leave them all listed below. So we decided to do an advent calendar, and we decided to do all 12 days. And luckily, we decided to just do them all in one video and not open them, you know, one by one. Because, you know, I can't do that. I barely made it to when we're taping this to share with you. So let me show you how she packaged it. So she sent it in this box, and then inside, whoops, hang on. Let me just look at how beautiful. So each gift is kind of like individually wrapped, and she's got the numbers, and they're like wooden numbers, and then she tied it with ribbon. It's absolutely beautiful. Alex, you need to have your own subscription box. This is amazing. She also sent me a card. I'm not gonna read the card. I don't know if she want me to do that, but I can't wait to dig in. So do you want us to get started? Because I am so excited to get started. So we basically sent each other some likes and some dislikes, you know, beauty products and things like that. And if we had any allergies, I'm pretty easy to shop for, I think. So I can't wait to see what she picked up for me. So the first thing, so this is number 1. And look at what she did. Let me put the box to the side for a second so I can show you what she did. So she has these wooden letters, and then she made tags. So this one says "For an Adventure," and she typed them. She did such a good job. Isn't it so pretty? So it's wrapped in tissue, and it's in the plastic bag. So this one, it said "For an Adventure." I can't wait to see what this is. It's like Christmas morning. Okay. Look at how pretty this is. This is like a little clutch. And it's snake print. Oh, I love it. You guys know I love my animal print. Oh my goodness. Look at tickets, passport, documents, and other. It's an organizer. I love this. And then it's got a little like coin pouch in the front. How cute is this? Oh, Alex, I love this. I want to go stop the video and just organize my stuff right now. This is so me. Okay, number 1. I'm so excited. Lots of good stuff. Okay, let's see. Number 2. So this says "To refresh and soothe." I love these. Where did you get these wooden numbers? There's like a craft store or something. They're so cute. Okay. Oh. I'm not a good opener. I make a lot of noise. Okay. Ooh. So Robyn, I got some masks. We're gonna have to do some masking. So this one is a vitamin C mask. I'm actually running low on masks, so this is nice. And this one is Not You Forever by Red Earth Have Fun Hydrating Facial Mask. And then this is a V-line chin up. Ooh, lifting and firming. Oh, I like that. How fun. Oh, yep, masks. This is so much fun. Okay. Oh, let me find number 3. Here's number 3. Number 3 says, for trinkets or snacks. Is that number 3? Yeah, that's number 3. I thought it was 8 for a second. I probably should have gotten scissors because I'm ruining her nice wrapping. I'm not very delicate. Like, I'm not. Here we go. Okay. Ooh, this is so pretty. I love that. So it's like a purple bowl. Ooh, I love this. Look at the inside. How pretty. Oh, I really like this. How fun. This is good for like, maybe I might bring this to work and put it on my desk and put little like candy or something in there. That's so cute. All right, number 4. I have to go in order. Here we go. So this says, special nibbles for a special lady. How cute. You do such a good job. I think I want you to curate a box for me like every month. Ooh. Every time I open a Variety Fun box, what do I say when I see Smart Food and Goldfish, my 2 favorite snacks? I absolutely, Alex, you got me. I love this. How fun. Oh, and I'm kind of hungry. I didn't eat lunch, so I might have one of these snacks. All right, what number are we on? 5. So this one says, this will help keep you warm on a cold winter day. I just love the tags that she did. And I feel bad about my wrapping. I feel like Alex did such a good job. Oh my goodness. Look at the faux fur. I love, it's like a, whoops, like a, to wear around your neck. Oh, it's so soft. This is perfect for like a jacket when it's supposed to snow this weekend or later this weekend. I love that. So soft. Oh. And you know what? This is good because it won't be too tight to my neck and it won't drive me crazy. So this is perfect for me. This is absolutely perfect. I love it. I love faux fur. Did you guys know that about me? What number were we on? 6 or 7? Let's see. Okay. So number 6, beauty for a beauty. Did I say that? Beauty for a beauty. I love the tags. Okay. Let's see. Oh, and it's in a little pouch. Can't get it open. Hang on. Oh, we've got a couple things in here. Alex, you did too much. Okay, so this is, oh, I love these little lip balms. So this is an EOS lip balm, and it's got aloe in it, and I need these around this time of year because my lips get so dry. It gets so cold here. I have them everywhere. And this is by Urban Decay, and it's an eye pencil. Oh, she knows I like the pencils. Let's see. Ooh, I love that. It's black. And I've been experimenting. Oh, that's nice. It went on very smooth too. Alex, I love this. Okay. And this is a brow wand. Oh, an eyebrow pencil. I'm excited. I can't wait to try these. And then this, ooh, I love this product, this line. I think it's called, you say it Way? I can't remember. You're going to correct me if I'm wrong. I love this line. They smell fantastic, and this is a wave spray. Ooh, it smells so good. Oh, I can't wait to try it. She did so good, didn't she? Okay, number 7. This is to help keep you organized. I feel like a little kid on Christmas morning. Oops. Hang on. Ooh, these are so cute. and they're good for your purse. I was actually just making a list because I'm about to run to Target. I know. What day is today? So today is the Saturday after Black Friday. So it's gonna be crazy out there. But I was making my list and I'm gonna put it on here. Look at how cute. I love the pattern and it's gonna fit right into my purse. So it's a notepad. I love these. Look at it. They're paper clips. They're palm trees. This brings me back to Florida. Oh, I love them. They're so cute. And I love pens too. So she sent me a pink pen. I love getting pink. I love getting like special pens and things like that because I love stationery products. I love stationery products. All right. I can't remember where I leave off because I get so excited. I think, all right, I have 8. Yeah, okay, 8. Oh, did I read the tag for the last one? Yeah, that was to help keep you organized. This is to feed your mind and soul. Okay. Oh, milk and honey. Oh, it's a book. Oh, I love that. Oh, it's like little poems. Oh, I'm so excited for this. Oh, I can't wait. Alex, thank you. Okay, 9 for wrist candy. She thinks of everything. Would you not want to get a box from her every month? I mean, she did such a good job. Hang on. Oh, look at it. It's a bracelet. It's gold. And it's got, whoops. Let me come closer. It's got like little diamonds in it. I love it. It's so pretty. Hang on. Let me see if I can get it on for you and show you. Oops. Look how pretty. Alex, thank you. I love it. I'm going to keep it on. Okay. Number 10 for an indulgence. I should have gotten scissors like, what, 10 bags ago? I didn't learn. Bubble wrap. I did this with Aisha's too because I get so nervous when shipping things. Calories in this mug don't count. I love that. I'm gonna use this all the time. Just put everything in here. My hot cocoa, I'll put my wine in here. I'll use everything in here because it doesn't count, right? So it's like a little hot cocoa kit, I think. Oh, it's fudge topping. Oh, it's Ghirardelli. Oh, I can't wait to use this and curl up on the couch to watch a movie. My goldfish, my popcorn. Calories don't count. Do the calories count if it's next to the mug either? Okay, no, I'm so excited. Number 11. So this is for a long hot soak on a cold night. It smells fantastic and I haven't even seen the bag yet. Ooh. Relax, it's only magic. Bewitching bath tea. This smells so good. Look at the packaging. I'm trying to think of what this smells like. This smells so good. I can't wait to try this. All right, my last item. So this says, I know you like to make a statement, and when I saw this in a consignment store, I had to get it for you. I think it's gonna be a statement necklace. Or something like that. It's soft. Oh, bubble wrap, that's why it's soft. Hang on. I'm sorry for all the noise. I I love it. Look, is this not a Kayla piece? Wow, this is so pretty. I love it. And I've been wearing a lot of black lately, so this is gonna be perfect. This is gonna be good for like holiday parties, to dress things up. This is gonna be good going into the new year, even maybe like a New Year's party or something like that. Oh, I love it. It could go with so much black, gray, white, gold. Oh, I love it. Thank you, Alex. Oh my gosh. Wow, did she do such a great job? I'm so impressed. So I was impressed with the packaging. I cut open the box. Yeah, and I saw the packaging and I'm like, wow, she did such a great job. I was floored. I had no words. I just had no words. I couldn't wait to get into the box, and I'm so happy I had a chance to open it today. Alex, thank you so much. You did such a great job. I really, really, truly appreciate it. I mean, it's like a box curated just for Kayla. It was amazing. I loved it. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I really appreciate it. So I appreciate you guys sticking around and watching, and I hope that you enjoyed this box too. So if you're new to my channel, coming from anybody else, welcome. I'm so happy to have you. And if you are one of my subscribers, please go check out the other ladies' channels. They are so fantastic. You are going to really enjoy their channels and their content, and they are just so sweet. Go check them out. I'll leave them all listed below for you. Go check out what they got too. I can't wait to see what each of them got. This was so... Robyn, I think, is expecting a car. I think that's what she said. I don't know if she's gonna get that, but I can't wait to see what everybody else got. All right, thank you so much for joining me and for spending some time with me today. I truly appreciate it as always, and I will see you all really soon in my next video.